Ready for an interview, my bro?
92.4
Oh,
now,
okay.
UEFM, the voice of Hauraki. Ko te reo Hauraki. It is a Thursday morning, looking not too bad out there, so but it's a beautiful day actually. We'll have some sunny weather coming your way, but today is a big day, especially around Hauraki. We have Reha, who's out and about. He's actually in Paeroa, live with us right now and part of the Hauraki Activation. Got the brother from, of course, Rangatai Takeover, Devon. We'll hand it over to Reha and Devon.
Mōre nei te whanau o te rā Reno, kei konei au. I'm at the roundabout here in Te Paeroa. As you mentioned, joined by the host of the Rangatahi Takeover as we take over the streets of Paeroa this morning. Heoi anō, mōre nei hoa.
Morena kia tātou kātahi anō koutou koa. Oho moata mo tēnei o ngā rangi whāruhiruhi rawa kei te whairoa toi te huatahi. Kei konei mātua ngā tamariki o mokapuna o a tātou tupuna e porotihi ana e raro I te rangi māre e tēnei o ngā rangi. Mauri ora.
How has it been, Reha? I know you've only been here for the last maybe 10, 20 minutes, but for you, what has the wairua been like? I can hear all the cars tooting their horns supporting our kaupapa today, but for you, what is the main overall kaupapa of today's activation, Reha?
Mōku ake, I think just to have a voice for us as rangatai. Obviously, we have the likes of Auntie Hina Moana, ko e te kaiwhakahaere o tēnei wāhi o tātou. So it's whai rangatai for rangatai. Mokapuna decisions I tēnei rangi whānau, like Matua Rāuri Waititi had said. We're on that kaupapa, tupuna guided mokapuna decisions.
And now I can see we have all of our tamariki mai te kura tuatahi o Paeroa I te rangi nei. Come down to support because we know the kaupapa's all around making a mokopuna decision. So what is it like having all of our kids, our babies stand side by side with all of our whanau this morning?
Oh man, kore he kupu. Tēnei te anamata o tātou, these are our tomorrow, so to see them stand with us. I don't know, we've got some busy traffic going on, but to see them stand with us today, unfortunately, they have to because due to te kawawana hou, heoi anō, ko te mea ke, they're here standing beside us, not behind us. Whenā.
Iaha etahi kōrero whakamutu ngai hoa, any kupu aki you want to send out to our whanau who have not yet got out of bed, who have not yet gotten out of their house, hit the streets across the motu. What is your message today for all of our whanau?
Toi tū te tiriti o Waitangi, toi tū tātou ngā tamariki mokapuna, toi tū te anamata o te iwi Māori.
Well, Reha, it's looking beautiful down here at the Paeroa roundabout. So if you are in Paeroa e te whanau, haere mai, come down. You know where McDonald's is e te whanau. We're here until for the next hour or so. Haere mai, support our kaupapa. Heoi anō, katahuri atu kia koe, Reno.
Kia ora iho, thank you for that, Reha, and I can see the whanau in behind there as well, so
Yep.
I'll let you go do what you need to do and catch you with some more of the whanau, and hope you're enjoying the update there as I listen to all the horns going past. Beep, 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 beep. Woohoo. Anyone else handy by you, bro, while I've still got you down there on site at the moment that you can have a cordial with? Is there anyone there?
I've got my glasses on, Iho. I can't really see. But let's go for a hikoi around. I can't really see anyone. Oh, here's my cousin. Here's my cousin. Cousin. Turn around, cuz. Now, Morena, ko wai koe no hea koe.
Morena, ko mahi nā rangi tōku inua, no pare hauraki whānui au.
Ko tai mai koe me tō pēpi, te ata nei, te tautoko I tēnei kaupapa. For you, Reha, what is the importance of today's activation across the motu?
The importance is showing our kids, you know, showing them their mana motuhake and showing them to stand up regardless of, you know, ngā pēhitanga I runga I a tātou katoa. And I think, you know, good on, I give kudos to the kawarangatanga because what happens, it actually brings us all together. So, ngā rātou I whakahuihui I a mātate iwi Māori, and for our kids to see what it's like to stand up for their own people, and that's why I brought my baby with me.
You know, Reha, it's beautiful seeing all of our tamariki, our mokopuna this morning here at the roundabout in Paeroa. For you, what is the future goal in terms of the activation? We know this is only stepping stones. There's more to come in the future. What are some of those goals you wish to achieve out of today's hikoi today?
Our one is to show the government, āhuatanga and all the things that they're doing to us and the impacts that it's actually impacting not only on us but our kids, our future, the future generation as well. So this is the beauty of coming together, whanau. So if you're at home, get off your ass and come and support the kaupapa. We're gonna be in Thames at 12 o'clock. But if you're around the other areas, just come and support whanau. But another one is just creating a better future for our tamariki. I think that's probably the best thing we can actually do is to always think about our kids and first and foremost. They're rangatira moa popo whanau. My son's trying to eat the mic. So I think he wants to talk too.
Oh, tēnei kamihia te kia koe te whanaunga for making yourself available. We'll let you get back to the protest there, what? Yo anoi te whānau, that is us down here at the Paeroa roundabout. Ka hoki o te kia koe, Reno. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you nice and clear. Kia ora, all good. So I got you nice and clear. I got you clear as that was a good little kōrero with, of course, some of the whānau. You can see some of the tamariki. You can see where they're actually based. Right opposite the LMP bottle by the McDonald's on the corner. Right opposite, obviously, the Criterion Bridge. Easy to find. So go on down there. You can hear the cars tooting, supporting the tautoko of today. Not only within Paeroa, but, of course, throughout the rest of Hauraki as well. Currently, Waihi is underway. Manaia is currently underway. Also, Te Aroha at 8:30. Earlier this morning we had the likes of Tamaki up there in Tamaki, Whitianga, also Ngātia, and even Kaiawa as well. We'll catch up again with Reha real soon. It's 8:22 on our UEFM.